Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
There are two screws, one behind this cap here, and one down inside the door pull opening. Take a small flat-bladed screwdriver and pop them open. They won't come off, they'll just flip open. And do the same for both. Use a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw. Put those aside, do the same for this one. Once the screws are removed, the rest of the door panel is held on with clips along the outside edge. You need a plastic prying tool. You can buy these from 1aauto.com. Kind of wedge it underneath the edge. And use the thinner tool. Just kind of work that in there. Bring it down though. Give it a good strong pull. It's going to pop it off. Just work your way around the door. Once those are all free, the door panel should lift straight up off. We're going to unclip the door pull and the lock cable. Pull them straight out like that. And it's hard to see, but there's a little, slide this little lead weighted ball that looks like a lead fishing weight. Pops out of the door lock. Do the same for the other one. Just kind of pop it out. Now I can go down underneath. Door lock button and the window switch. We'll find the lock. They're I'm working on them upside down. This one has a lock on the inside. It's a very small push tab here to unlock it. It's on the inside. I'll do the same for the other one. So it's really hard to push with my finger. I'm going to use this small flat-bladed screwdriver and push in on the lock. And then pull the connector out. I'm going to put the door panel aside so it doesn't get damaged. When I removed the door panel, these trim clips stayed behind in the door. I'm just going to use a panel clip tool to pull them out. Just kind of slide behind them, pop them out. Do the same for all of them. If that rubber piece stays, that's okay. You just put it back on. These clips that popped out, the top part will just slide right in and lock in. Just do that for all of them. Reinstall the door panel. I'm going to connect the door lock and the window switch. Just push them in, snap and click when they're in place. Reconnect these. Start with the bottom one. Kind of hard to see. So this comes out and there's a little opening. Kind of lay it in there and then snap this into place. That'll be our door release. And then this one on the top is for the door lock. Where is it? There it is. So there's an opening here and it kind of goes in there and then you slide it over. Clips into place. We're going to hang the door on this edge here. It might be easier to put the window down, or we can have it up, whatever you prefer. So we'll push it down, just like that. And then we're going to just go along, push the clips back in, they'll snap, and they're in place. Door panels clip back in place. Reinstall the Phillips head screws. This one goes up in here. Push that little door back. There's a quick clip down. Do this one in here. Door panels reinstalled.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.